A starlit night, in a small town nestled beneath the shimmering moon, lived a curious young girl named Lila. With eyes as bright as the constellations above, and dreams as vast as the universe itself, Lila yearned for adventure beyond the confines of her earthly home. One fateful evening, as the full moon cast its enchanting glow upon the world, Lila found herself drawn to its mesmerizing allure. Ignoring the whispers of doubt and hesitation, she embarked on a journey unlike any other, guided by a sense of wonder and an unwavering spirit of exploration. With each step she took, the world around her transformed into a realm of celestial wonders, where stars danced and galaxies twirled in a cosmic ballet. And then, as if by magic, Lila discovered a secret passage hidden beneath a silvery beam of moonlight, a portal to the moon itself. Without a moment's hesitation, Lila stepped through the portal, her heart pounding with excitement and anticipation. And there, amidst the lunar landscape, she beheld a sight beyond imagination, a friendly alien creature, with eyes as bright as stars and a smile as warm as the sun. Their encounter was a meeting of kindred spirits, bound by the universal language of curiosity and wonder. Without any words exchanged, Lila and the alien forged a friendship that transcended the boundaries of space and time. Together, they explored the moon's hidden treasures, discovering sparkling crystals and shimmering lakes of liquid moonlight. They danced among the stars, their laughter echoing through the cosmos, as they reveled in the joy of newfound companionship. As the night waned and the first light of dawn painted the sky, Lila knew that her lunar adventure must come to an end. With a promise to return, she bid farewell to her newfound friend, their bond unbreakable, their memories etched in the tapestry of the universe. And so, with a heart full of wonder and a soul ablaze with the magic of the cosmos, Lila returned home, forever changed by her journey to the moon. For in the vast expanse of the universe, she had found not only adventure but also the truest of treasures, friendship without any thought, boundless and eternal.